I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and picking a method so you don't waste time later. Install a trusted wallpaper app or enable built-in live wallpaper support. This matters because apps handle looping and performance differently. Once installed, pick a 1920x 1080 MP4 or optimized GIF. Higher resolutions can drain battery. Set the file aside in a known folder so you can import it quickly. Make sure to close resource-heavy apps before applying to check baseline performance. You now import and configure playback options to balance visuals with performance. Open the app or settings, select Import or Add, and choose your MP4/GIF. This is how the system knows what to play. Once added, set loop, playback speed, and disable audio unless you specifically want sound. Audio wastes resources. Then tweak performance options, cap FPS, enable pause on battery saver, and choose hardware acceleration if available. These tweaks prevent stuttering and excessive heat while keeping the animation smooth. You're ready to apply and verify the wallpaper. This confirms the setup under real use. Apply it, switch apps, and test on battery and plugged-in modes so you know its impact. If you see lag or crashes, reduce the video resolution, lower the FPS, or convert to a lighter GIF. Those fixes cut CPU and GPU load. Also make sure the app's pause on battery option is on. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the wallpaper app and reapply after a driver update to resolve most display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.